Changing rear struts on a 1997 Honda Accord. As you can see, I'll take a closer look at the strut here. It's leaking out. I'm getting some noises on the back, more bounce in the car. Other than that, change them up. We got replacement ones. I've already got the wheel off. Vehicle's jacked up. Stands. Extra jack, of course. Some tools. So, on the inside, that's the upper strut tower. One. This is the what size is that? 14 millimeter nut. You're gonna have two nuts, one here, one on the back side, one on the back side inside there. So two nuts total, one and an opposite one. You do have to remove this piece here. There is a, let me close this up here quickly. There we go. Down here, hidden in between the seat, you have to push the seat down to get access to a 10 millimeter bolt. Those are the nuts from the top of the strut tower. These are the two pieces that come off. You can see we're doing both sides, rear seat down. One corner, that strut's already done. We'll go over and take a look at there as well. So we're just going to pop this one out. I've already undone the two nuts. I've already undone the bottom bolt. Let's get back here. There's the bolt. Let's see if this can show you. There it is. That's the bottom of the strut. They don't give you new bolts though with replacement of the strut, which is kind of, I don't know, I wish they would. They give you a new nut though. So let's get inside here. Pop this baby out. See, it's loose. Let's go back up. There you go. Go down. Come on back up. Get your suspension and push down. Take clearance. There we go. Emergency brake cable, that's no big deal. I've got it caught on the cable, isn't that great? Which is no big deal. Just go back up and push the cable down. A little bit of wiggling. Kind of find that right. You gotta kind of find that right angle to get these things out. You can stand on this here and lower it. There we go. There we go. These are the two nuts that are inside the upper part of the front fender, bottom of your strut, and you can see that it's really, come on, let's go and look at the new strut we've got going. There we go. Our new, there's our old one. Put them down here together. Left side, right side. Take a quick look at our new one. Threw it in. Already seated. And bottom bolt is, actually the bolt goes through this way. It won't go through this way because this lower control arm, if you want to call it that, is in the way. So now you can buy a complete unit like this. You can buy a complete replacement unit with the spring, with the upper mount. There's a an absorber in there as well, like a cushion. I chose to go this way. It saved me a few bucks. I mean, nobody rides in the back of this car anyway, so there we go. And I've got my compression tools. I'm going to use that to compress the spring down, and then undo the top nut here, taking your time, but I'll show you that here as we go along. So, new strut, tools, old strut, and we'll be right